Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you would replace your headlight assembly. We've removed it, and now we'll put one back in. New one or a new good used. All right. So you can see we have a slight channel here on the housing that's going to slide right into there and then lock in, and then we have one bolt here and the two bolts up the top, and then we've got this clip right here that holds this part of the housing on there. Okay, so to start with, we're going to get it lined up in here and hook up the electric connectors that we undid, which are these three, two to the lights, and so it's going to hook to this light, and this connector here. So with those all done, and then make sure we put that clip back in. Now we just slide it up into place. Like I said, we got this channel, we slide in on this side, and then you'll want to make sure you get this to go down and kind of sandwich that clip there, and then tighten the three number 10 bolts here, one through here, and then one here and one here. All right, now your headlight housing or headlight assembly has been put back on, and you can proceed to putting the bumper on when you get to that step. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.